Hi, it's Michael from Better Marks in Maths, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to add whole numbers together. Now, when you're adding whole numbers together, if you're copying them down from somewhere, you need to always line them up as they're lined up here. So the 7 and the 4 here are in the units column, the 6 and the 2 are in the tens column, and the 4 and the 2 are in the hundreds column. So you make sure units are always underneath units, tens are underneath tens, and so on. And when you're adding numbers, you always work from right to left, not the other way. And you just add the numbers in each column. So 7 plus 4 is 11, and just looking for a color. So in the number 11, it's really this number here that you put down in that same column, and then this number on the left you put into the next column. And a good idea is to put it above the column, not next to it like that. If you put it next to it like that, it looks like the number 16, and you can make mistakes by doing that. And then because it's in the same column, you just add all the numbers in this column. So 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. And then adding these two numbers, you get 6. So 467 plus 224 equals 691, and that's the answer to that one. In example 2, so 9 plus 4 is 13, so again put this number in the same column, carry that one into the next column and put it there. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, so again put that 4 in that same column, carry that 1 into the next column, and then go 1 plus 1 plus 8 is 10, and then in the number 10 put that number in that column and put the 1 in the next column like that. So 179 plus 864 is equal to 1043. So that's how you add whole numbers together. Now if you've got some numbers like these, 124, 67, and 5, you want to line them up like this. So 124, and then because this 4 is in the units column, and the 7 is in the units column, and the 5 is in the units column, then you must put the 5 underneath the 7 and underneath the 4, or I always like to put the bigger number at the top. So I'm going to put 67 under 124, and it's going to go like that. So the 7's under the 4, and the 6, which is in the tens column, that goes underneath the 2, which is in the tens column here as well. And then that 5 is going to go underneath the 4 and the 7 like this. And then adding them together again, work from right to left. So 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. So put the 6 down and carry the 1 into the next column, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, and then you're not adding anything to that 1, so the 1 goes in that column. And so always try and line your answers up directly beneath the numbers that you are adding to get the number in that column. And that's pretty much how you add the whole numbers together. So, and just one more thing, this column here is the hundreds column. And just remember that any whole number on its own, so for example the number 437, the number on the right hand end is always in the units column. And that's a key thing you need to remember in maths. So that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.